Well, how's everybody doing? It's been a long time. Gonna do a little video series here. Just purchased this 1992 Stratos. It's a 201 Pro. Planning on this being my retirement boat. Needs a lot of work, needs a lot of cleanup, polishing, just a lot of little things need fixed on it. So I'm going to try to take you through all that process and see what we can do with this video. So when we get started on it, I'll give you a little walk around of the boat so you can kind of see what it looks like. Okay, this is a 1992 Stratos 201 Pro, 20-foot fast fishing boat. I just recently purchased it, the dual consoles. Single axle trailer with a surge brake on it. It's not in bad shape. It needs a lot of work. It's going to need a little bit of fiberglass work and stuff. It's got the Johnson V6 200 horsepower motor on it. I'm going to give it a shot at restoring. See what happens. It's just going to take some time. Be a good winter project to get us all done and around. So this will be my retirement. When I retire, I'll probably spend a lot of time on this boat, on the water. Get this project started. Found a few issues with it. Took it out a couple of days ago for the first time. It's got a little problem with the steering. I think it's just got air in the system, so I'm going to get some fluid in it. It's got power steering. Get some fluid in it, get the air purged out of it. Hopefully that'll fix that. Won't be any other major issues with that. Should be an easy fix. So, but we'll see. It's got all the gauges. Worked the other day when I took it out, except for the water pressure gauge. It never came off of zero all the time. A lot of switches. It's got a hot foot on it, which is totally different from what I'm used to. That's going to be a big adjustment, getting used to that. I already found it had a leak in the live well. Actually came down last night. And siliconed that. I don't know if you can see that in there or not. Just put some silicone on it temporarily just to see if that's going to work. Just trying to make sure I can find all the leaks in the boat and get them all stopped up before I get major into it. So that's all.